So using third-party editing software is super important, but you don't really need to pay for the most expensive editing software out there. So you're probably thinking about Adobe Premiere or Final Cut Pro. Currently, I use Final Cut Pro because my preference, of course. But you don't really need to use the most expensive or the two more popular editing software. You can use free editing software, and a lot of YouTubers actually use iMovie as well, which is a free software that comes on the Mac. Or you can even use the DaVinci Resolve, which is also another popular editing software that's free. Yes, they have a paid version, but a lot of people who use the free version are okay with just the free version features because it has a lot of things that they're looking for when it comes to editing their videos for YouTube. So if you don't have the money right now to expand on Final Cut Pro or Premiere, then you can use those free editing softwares. And a lot of YouTubers only use those free editing softwares and they have successful YouTube channels out there. Or if you have your iPhone as well, you can use free editing softwares on the iPhone as well. So like you can use InShot, which is a super popular video editing software for your iPhone. You can use LumaFusion as well if you have the iPhone and iPad. Another great app that you can edit your videos. So you don't really need to spend right now a lot of money in editing, but also you do need to edit your videos. So like if you have some bad sounds or you have some bad maybe you were talking about something else, you got distracted, you want to cut that out, of course, and just stay focused on the video. So of course having great editing software is super important, but you can use just the free software that I just mentioned to get started as well. And once you start growing and maybe start making some income from your YouTube channel, then you can start investing in those software to make some really cool YouTube videos as well.